Hello, Instagram, YouTube. We go right back onto the silver car. Alright.
Let's get going, let's go.
I'll put it here so I won't get lost. What's up guys, Joe here, Performance Auto Solutions. We are changing the hood from a scoop to scoopless Karminai hood that I got off a parts car. That's for the benefit of aerodynamics. It's got no scoop, it's got a hood vent. Joey, let me help you. Sorry. Now the shortcoming of this hood is it doesn't have washer jet holes. I gotta make that happen.
I was just thinking.
Are you got mad slack over there? Can I come this way?
Hold on, let's just start at the top. It's a 13.
Socket,
13. On the gun right there. Up?
Forward. Yeah, pitch it. Here you go. Little influence. Come up on it. Putting a hood on is always a complicated process. Never fucking great, is it?
How many people does it take to put a hood on?
At least two.
At least 4.
Trying to not
One
like
filming?
crack these things.
Yeah, here. God, it feels like shit.
Do this one, do this one.
I'm not gonna
Here, here. No. Bottom one.
That definitely does feel like shit. It's like grabbing. I think I got it.
I don't know.
I got it. I'll take it.
Don't be cross-threading shit.
I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like how it sits. I'm taking it out. Here, it's offset.
Use this in the extensions.
Just let Frank do it.
Yeah, Frank. The natural Spanish man.
Come on over here.
He's on, alright. He's on. Tilt it back a little bit.
Back?
Yep. There you go.
Frank, you're so smart. So yes, it definitely takes 4 people to put
That fits like shit in there.
Wait, that one's a 3 number?
No, stop.
Zach.
Alright, before you tighten the rest, we'll fix that one first.
I did.
Alright, before you tighten the rest, see how it shuts.
Yeah, make sure.
Wait, Jules, just watch the corners. Go all the way up. And then
Let's
pull
do
it up. Wow.
Ooh.
This one looks really nice. We gotta push this fender. That depth.
No.
Or do you want to open this guy?
It's gotta come this way.
Open it.
Probably.
Open it.
That's it. Frank the body guy's here.
It's gotta come this way. For your training.
A few inches later.
It's really fast, you know?
Same.
Trying to beat your record.
All these, like, you know, Formula 1 cars have carbon fiber and it just fits amazing. Who knows why? What if they get Saban shit too?
My carbon fiber hood on it just.
However it is what it is.
It's like, it's loose, you know? It's really thick, it's not nice. I hate it.
Could it be slightly?
Ferrari would be like, yo, let's light it on fire. They hit it with the torch it.
They think it fixed like shit.
Give me the 13.
That's what they're saying.
Dude, it fits good on these like parts cars we get. I put it on my car, it's like, maybe your car's fucked up.
Yeah, I was gonna say your car might be bad.
You did jump it.
Twice.
What's going on over there?
You trying to do the bottom one? What's going on?
Just tighten it all up and see what it looks like.
Put the bottom one.
Why don't you leave the struts off? It's not the struts. And the hood needs to move. The hood needs to move forward.
Let's see what happens.
It's got a gap.
All the tools are clear. Put it down.
Oh, let it go. I mean, it fits in the latch, which is like half the valve.
We gotta go to the right.
That opened up a little.
I think this fender has to go in.
I mean, the headlight doesn't have much
I was
room.
gonna say you gotta respect the headlight.
I think this is perfect.
I mean, that side's not bad.
It's perfect. Yeah, I was just 50-50. It just fucking.
What would you do?
Push
Pushing on the hinge, but I don't want to break the hood.
This side's fine.
Like
The
with
whole
the,
thing is just very generous.
with the hood open, you can push on the hood from that side.
Yeah, it is tight up in there.
Yeah.
How's that
Can't
over
get
there?
over.
It's tight.
Well, the bottom isn't tight.
It says tight.
This line is tight.
Yes.
This is like,
Listen, every carbon hood runs right here.
No, they don't need the rope.
Mine does.
this is wide
Open
open.
the hoodie.
I mean, it looks good.
Throw it out. Doesn't look heated.
Throw it out. Hate it. What?
Concept.
You guys should have did this without telling me. 'Cause now I see it. I throw it.
Good. I like
Yeah,
it.
here's the hood.
Better.
Better.
For who?
Looks
Please.
better. What do you mean?
What are you talking about?
Dude, these things need to both be blue, and then it'll be great.
Right.
Put that tape you got for your fucking over fenders.
What is this?
Kamnori. You heard of Kamnori? Young
It's just
people.
a style.
I don't like that.
Don't worry, they're gonna paint it all.
It fits nice everywhere else.
It fits nice here. It fits nice
Yeah, I think
here.
this hood actually fits great.
I think it's the side.
No one sees both sides at the same time.
Yes, they do.
What?
Only if it's in that mirror.
When you do one of those, like, what is it, like the Instagram layout? I'm gonna push the fender. See if I get a little. This lights up? I don't think so. No, it's 11. Got an 11.
What'd you say about Colin Fox again?
Yeah, working at Colin Fox is like Iron Man when he got captured and he had to make a bomb in the Middle East. And they were like, yeah, put this kid on a coat hanger. Fucking. Actually, I didn't refer to anything racially. It described the Marvel movie. So.
They have a black character, don't they?
Yeah, it was the Don Shadon. I don't know how to say his name.
Oh, the Black Panther Marvel?
Yes. Yes, he is. Oh, it is.
I'm a.
I ain't gonna be the one. Should have walked it. I wouldn't be in the water.
Oh.
Now I think I need that 11.
I think it's 13.
Yeah, I was like, I mean.
And it's gonna go? Wait, don't put your knee in it.
No, I don't use my knees.
Here we go.
Fitment check. A lot better.
Yeah.
Way better. Way better. Proper carbon fiber fitment. I agree.
Looks good for my house.
It looks so stupid. It looks dumb as fuck without the girl.
Hey man, is this your brother?
I hate it. Yeah, but it's efficient. I don't give a fuck.
I mean, if it doesn't look cool. What's the point of looking fast?
Going fast? Don't look cool, right?
Woo, I was gonna say
It looks so
I knew you were gonna say it.
Colin, you like it?
I think it was great.
Least enthusiastic response ever.
It's because he likes M3s and BMWs.
It's
basically.
not even both.
So good.
Let it match like
Not gonna lie, I mean, it kind of looks hot on the video.
I don't know. Like or
saying.
subscribe if you like it or not, I guess, right?
Like who? Subscribe if you like it.
comment if you like it or not. Like and subscribe just
Like,
because.
subscribe, and comment. Just whatever, man. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. Yeah.
He hates everything anyways, so it doesn't even matter.
Better be faster.
Just
I have one for you.
You wish you had a
I had the hood
Subaru
on it.
just for the hood.
Good deal for you. Black one over there, we'll put the hood right back on. I hate it. I mean, it might look good, I guess. I don't know. With my fender, it'll look good. Or side skirts.
Yeah, the skirts will be aggressive. Have like the same flowing lines as here, but on there. I mean, no wing, you know, that's all you though, boo boo. You know, you do your thing. I'm a wing guy. I like taking flight. You know what I'm saying?
You know what's good? That the car is blue, but I put like painter's tape on it to like seal the seams. Hot.
Well, you don't know. Just match. Just let her grow on you, like most things. Look at here, Joseph suspended here. That's what Joe's looking at right now. Do you guys like it?
Does anyone like it?
Yo, like if you like it, dislike if you like it. I totally messed that up. I meant to say like, if you like it, like it. If you don't like it, also like the video. If you do like it, also comment. If you don't like it, also comment.
I guess it's okay.
And subscribe. And follow us on Instagram. For more. He hates everything anyway, so don't mind his feelings. I could have put like BSXXs on his car and gave him a GTR. He's like, you know what? Something's wrong. It's okay. It's okay.
Just unfollow.
Get out of here. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.